I was born with really crooked teeth. My teeth were always crooked. I had to do something, but I've been putting it off so long because I just don't think dentures were a fit for me.
When Marty came to us, he's a guy who spends a lot of time in Alaska, out in the bush. We wanted to look at a way to engineer and build Marty not only a beautiful set of teeth, but something that he knows he's not going to have problems with, that he can rely on. We have 5 implants on the bottom. The 6th one is about to go in. The bottom, we just need to suture up and get our records, and we're off to the races.
This is amazing. I still can't believe it. I have nice teeth. I've never had nice teeth my entire life.
Seeing Marty with his teeth after the surgery, just such an amazing moment. It's why I do what I do.
Had I known what I know now, I would have done this a lot sooner.
Marty is now someone who I consider family and a really great friend, and I'm excited for Marty's future, and that is the heart of Winterholler Dentistry.
You're the man, Will.
You're the man, Marty.